Subscribe for daily quizzes and let me know how many you got correct today. Here's some psychological theories trivia. Who proposed the hierarchy of needs? A. Albert Bandura, or B. Carl Rogers, or C. Abraham Maslow, or D. Sigmund Freud? The correct answer is C. Abraham Maslow. What is the name of Pavlov's classical conditioning experiment? A. Salivation trial, or B. Dog experiment, or C. Canine behavior study, or D. Pavlov's reaction test? The correct answer is B. Dog experiment. Who is associated with operant conditioning? A. Sigmund Freud, or B. John Watson, or C. Ivan Pavlov, or D. B.F. Skinner? The correct answer is D. B.F. Skinner. Which study is famous for demonstrating conformity? A. Ash's experiment, or B. Stanford prison experiment, or C. Bobo doll experiment, or D. Milgram's study? The correct answer is A. Ash's experiment. Who developed the theory of cognitive development? A. Erik Erikson, or B. B.F. Skinner, or C. Lev Vygotsky, or D. Jean Piaget? The correct answer is D. Jean Piaget. Which school of thought studies observable behavior? A. Cognitive psychology, or B. Behaviorism, or C. Psychoanalysis, or D. Humanistic approach? The correct answer is B. Behaviorism. Who introduced the concept of collective unconscious? Sigmund Freud, or B. Abraham Maslow, or C. Carl Jung, or D. Ivan Pavlov? The correct answer is C. Carl Jung. Which psychological theory examines social influences on behavior? A. Cognitive dissonance, or B. Maslow's hierarchy, or C. Social learning theory, or D. Psychoanalytic theory? The correct answer is C. Social learning theory. Who is known for their work on attachment theory? A. John Bowlby, or B. Carl Rogers, or C. Sigmund Freud, or D. B.F. Skinner? The correct answer is A. John Bowlby. What is the focus of existential psychology? A. Social conformity, or B. Cognitive behavior, or C. Happiness pursuit, or D. Meaning of life? The correct answer is D. Meaning of life. Who formulated the theory of multiple intelligences? A. B.F. Skinner, or B. John Piaget, or C. Howard Gardner, or D. Sigmund Freud? The correct answer is C. Howard Gardner. What approach involves analyzing dreams? A. Cognitive restructuring, or B. Dream analysis, or C. Systematic desensitization, or D. Behavior modification? The correct answer is B. Dream analysis. What psychological perspective values the whole person? Psychoanalysis, or B. Humanism, or C. Gestalt psychology, or D. Behaviorism? The correct answer is C. Gestalt psychology. Who proposed the social exchange theory? A. Irving Goffman, or B. George Homans, or C. Sigmund Freud, or D. Auguste Comte? The correct answer is B. George Homans. Who is associated with the concept of flow? A. Mihaly Csikszentmihalyi, or B. Carl Jung, or C. Sigmund Freud, or D. Abraham Maslow? The correct answer is A. Mihaly Csikszentmihalyi. What does the term schema refer to in cognitive psychology? A. Memory process, or B. Behavioral response, or C. Cognitive model, or D. Mental framework? The correct answer is D. Mental framework. Who explored the stages of psychosocial development? A. B.F. Skinner or B. Piaget, or C. Sigmund Freud, or D. Erik Erikson? The correct answer is D. Erik Erikson. Which theory posits that decisions are influenced by cognitive biases? A. Prospect theory, or B. Game theory, or C. Rational choice, or D. Behavioral economics? The correct answer is A. Prospect theory. Who is noted for work on learned helplessness? A. Martin Seligman, or B. B.F. Skinner, or C. Sigmund Freud, or D. Carl Rogers? The correct answer is A. Martin Seligman. Which theory explores the link between motivation and goal setting? A. Self-determination theory, or B. Goal-setting theory, or C. Expectancy theory, or D. Maslow's hierarchy? The correct answer is B. Goal-setting theory. Who proposed the stages of existential psychotherapy? A. Albert Ellis, or B. Carl Rogers, or C. Irvin D. Yalom, or D. Viktor Frankl? The correct answer is C. Irvin D. Yalom. What term designates the psychological technique of reinforcing desired behaviors? Conditioning, or B. For C. Motivation, or D. Incentive? The correct answer is B. Reinforcement. What is the name for the psychological study of individual differences? A. Behavioral analysis, or B. Personality psychology, or C. Social dynamics, or D. Cognitive neuroscience? The correct answer is B. Personality psychology. Which psychological process involves problem solving based on experience? A. Reflection, or B. Intuition, or C. Analysis, or D. Reasoning? The correct answer is B. Intuition. What is the basis of rational emotive behavior therapy? A. Cognitive restructuring, or B. Behavioral modification, or C. Logical reasoning, or D. Emotional regulation? The correct answer is C. Logical reasoning. Who theorized the fundamental attribution error? A. Philip Zimbardo, or B. Daniel Kahneman, or C. Richard Nisbett, or D. Lee Ross? The correct answer is D. Lee Ross. Which cognitive bias leads to a focus on initial stimuli? A. Anchoring bias, or B. Availability heuristic, or confirmation bias, or D. Hindsight bias? The correct answer is A. Anchoring bias. Who is best known for their work on moral development? A. Piaget, or B. B.F. Skinner, or Sigmund Freud, or D. Lawrence Kohlberg? The correct answer is D. Lawrence Kohlberg. What theory examines the impact of social factors on behavior? A. Cultural relativism, or B. Behavioral economics, or C. Cognitive dissonance, or D. Social psychology? The correct answer is D. Social psychology. What does the term neuroplasticity refer to? A. Brain change, or B. Nerve destruction, or C. Synapse stability, or D. Brain aging? The correct answer is A. Brain change. Who introduced the concept of existential anxiety? A. Rollo May, or B. Sigmund Freud, or C. Søren Kierkegaard, or D. Jean-Paul Sartre? The correct answer is A. Rollo May. What is the focus of humanistic therapy? A. Cognitive restructuring, or B. Problem-solving skills, or C. Personal growth, or D. Medication management? The correct answer is C. Personal growth. Which theory incorporates both genetic and environmental factors? A. Biopsychosocial model, or B. Genetic determinism, or C. Nature versus nurture, or D. Environmental reductionism? The correct answer is A. Biopsychosocial model. Which phenomenon involves a group member suppressing dissent? A. Social loafing, or B. Herd behavior, or C. Groupthink, or D. Conformity? The correct answer is D. Conformity. What psychological term identifies the importance of early relationships? A. Bonding theory, or B. Social learning, or C. Attachment, or D. Developmental psychology? The correct answer is C. Attachment. Who contributed to the understanding of social influence? A. Albert Bandura, or B. B.F. Skinner, or C. Solomon Asch, or D. Sigmund Freud? The correct answer is C. Solomon Asch. Who is famous for researching obedience to authority? A. Philip Zimbardo, or B. Stanley Milgram, or C. Sigmund Freud, or D. Solomon Asch? The correct answer is B. Stanley Milgram. Who is known for their work on cognitive dissonance? A. Carl Rogers, or B. B.F. Skinner, or C. Sigmund Freud, or D. Leon Festinger? The correct answer is D. Leon Festinger. What phenomenon relates to the tendency to remember first and last items best? A. Serial position effect, or B. Chunking effect, or C. Primacy bias, or D. Recency principle? The correct answer is A. Serial position effect. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.